Another one. Holy moly. This one's screaming drag. Oh my gosh. That's probably a PB. Yep, it is. Say that is done. All right, I forgot to put the plug in the boat. First thing. Oh, I'm glad I can put that plug in from the inside. Hey, what is up, y'all? Forgot to put the plug in the boat. First thing, as soon as I get here. But it is December, and I'm out here fishing on the Ohio River today. Just put in a tributary, about to head out and get some fresh bait, but we've got some more conflict. There is a dredging barge that has been going back and forth, coming out here and dumping all the silt and mud from his dredging out here in my fishing hole. My favorite spot I like to fish out here. But we're gonna do what we can do today with having that dredging barge out here. Still try to get on some fish. Was planning on crappie fishing and sauger fishing from the bank. Decided to take the boat, so gonna make the best of it today. So let's get out here, get some fresh bait, see what we can do. We got him. The catfish ain't biting, so we're just gonna chuck some lines over here. See what we can't catch. Please don't come off. They keep coming off. They're breaking me. I've only got 10-pound line on here. I mean, I caught a 30-pound flathead with the same rod a couple weeks ago, so let's see, is it something that can go in a skillet? Oh wow, there's spot lock. I didn't see it. Ah, it swirled. I did not see it. Oh, it's a good hybrid. That's what's smoking us over there. I should have brought heavier gear. Now, when you find these like this, you can rebound the whole trip. Man, that's a good one too. Catfishing ain't doing nothing. Not too bad. It's a good fish to me. Now, I was in here marking what I thought was catfish, but it's hybrids. There's a ton of them down there. And he's going to the box. We're gonna eat him. I brought the skillet with me today, so we'll do a catch and cook. Since our whole trip's been backwards. Oh my gosh. That's a good one. Oh no, this is way too light a tackle. Don't get us in that brush. We're gonna chase this one down. Well, he's got us in the tree. As long as I can keep tension on him. I'm gaining ground on him right now. The trolling motor. Spot lock right there. There just must be a school of them sitting up in there. There's a bunch of gizzard shad in there. Oh man. Probably gonna reel in the catfish rods. Oh, he's got every one of my lines. He's got my catfish lines. I don't want to lose this fish. So I'll lose an 8-ounce sinker real quick. To free him up. This is a big fish on light tackle, guys. Big fish. I might need a bigger net. Oh yeah, monster. Monster. Big fish. Oh my goodness. Got him. Talk about a hybrid. Barely hooked. Tank hybrid. Seven, 8, 7, 7, so 7.5 pound hybrid right there. Tank. He's tired, but he's swimming off. There it is right there. Crappie max. 2.5 inch threadfin shad. That little guy right there. That's what we're throwing. And it is getting annihilated. It's just insane. That little bait is doing so well. Another one. Holy moly. This one's screaming drag. Head shakes. Wow. Everything was going wrong. And now you get this. This is another good hybrid. I love that black color in the winter, and I love white in the spring and fall. But black on black has got to be my favorite. Only thing I got going for me right now is this is a medium heavy. It's like 6'8" medium heavy, 10-pound braid with a small, like 6-inch, 12-pound leader. Oh my gosh, it's even bigger. It's way bigger. Way bigger. Thought it was a school of catfish. Oh my gosh. That's probably a PB. Yep, it is. That's a PB. This thing's massive. Shout out to the homie Rudy. Turning me back onto these fun fish. Ah, wow. Look at that thing. Next to my boot. Quick wait, and we'll get back on them. $26 to the tip of the tail. Maybe more. Let me get his lip lined up. About 26 squeezed. Quick wait, my friend. Oh, wow. 910. New PB. on like tackle. All right, guys, one more look at him. 9 pounds, 10 ounces. So definitely a new personal best right there for me. Go ahead and get him back. There he goes. Kick, buddy, kick. There he goes. Come on. Super important to get these fish back as quick as you can, especially in the warmer months, but we got to change out some batteries. There we go. Holy moly. It's a feisty one. That's a hybrid. Now they used to think these things couldn't reproduce, that they were sterile and that they wouldn't breed, but I mean that is not the case. I mean, I've caught them small and I can tell because he's got 3 solid lines going to the tail. The white bass only has 1 solid line or 1 faint line going to the tail. And they also have a different tooth patch, and the hybrid's only gonna, or the white bass is only gonna have that 1 center lateral line. But they're fun. I should have kept that white bass to see which one tastes better. Everybody says the white bass is going to taste better. I don't know. The hybrids might have more red meat. Nice little white bass. All right, guys, it is so many fish. I had to turn the camera off for a little bit and just catch them. There's a bunch of small ones. This is what's been out here just destroying me. I probably caught 20 of these in a row. Bunch of white bass, couple hybrids. But I'm gonna continue to fish. Probably tie on a bigger jig, and then eventually gonna head back to the truck and cook one of these things up. Should be fun. All right, you guys, back at the ramp. We got the boat all buttoned up, and I gotta clean this fish. I've already bled him a little bit. I don't have a cutting table or anything over here, and I don't want to cut on these picnic tables at the boat ramp. So I'll do it right here on the ground. And I forgot to bring my Andes. So it looks like salt and pepper it is. This isn't the greatest knife, but I did bring 2 potatoes, so I'm happy about that. I don't think we're doing too bad for using our bait knife here. That doesn't look too bad at all. See what the red meat looks like. Well, not too bad. There's a little bit of red meat on there. But yeah, I got my little burner over here. I'm under this awning here at the boat ramp. I've even got a little grill there on the other side. But we're gonna be cooking under here. If I remember how to start this thing. Yeah, it just has an automatic lighter on it. Just a little bit there. The heat's still hot. Now what I've done was trimmed off a lot of the red meat. And these other two pieces. Just go flay that right off there. That's real fishy. Especially in the hybrids. Probably would have preferred to keep one of those white bass, but it's a little hot. That's just half the fish right there. Little pepper. Little salt. Man, it's already smelling good. Now, probably should have done these first, but it'll be all right. All right, I'd say that is done. Got some golden brown color to it. It's just flaking apart. See what, let's just scrape it out of there. Looks like our potatoes are done, and I used my paper towel to check my oil. We're gonna carefully get these out of here. All right. Here we go. Finally. That's actually pretty good. That's better than I thought. The whole day's been like that. I was planning on catfishing and ended up getting on them hybrids and couldn't leave them alone. But man, it's such a great day. Potatoes are delicious too. But we are going to do a lot more of this as the channel progresses on. So I really appreciate you guys watching, sticking around for the catch and cook, and we will see you on the next video. Peace.